Welcome back to Gizmo Zone YT, where we keep you updated on the best gadgets for you and your family, including when and where you can find them on sale. Black Friday schedules for Home Depot, Lowe's, Harbor Freight, Menards, Ace, Tractor Supply, and Amazon are now available. Retailers are now spreading their Black Friday sales over an extended period to avoid overcrowding in stores, a trend that began during the pandemic. Home Depot will launch its Black Friday deals on November 1st, while Lowe's is starting on October 26th. Home Depot will feature brands like Milwaukee, Rigid, and Ryobi, while Lowe's will likely have items from DeWalt, Flex, Skill, and possibly Metabo HPT. There's a rumor about Lowe's discontinuing Metabo HPT, but we're waiting for confirmation. Both Home Depot and Lowe's, along with other hardware stores, will be closed on Thanksgiving Day, November 24th, but their Black Friday sales will kick off on the actual Black Friday, November 25th. Harbor Freight's Black Friday sale begins the week of Black Friday, starting with online deals on Thanksgiving Day and in-store deals the following day. As for Menards and Ace, they haven't released details yet, but we anticipate Black Friday deals from them. Tractor Supply has already launched its holiday gift guide and toy shop, with Black Friday deals expected to be announced in the coming weeks. Amazon had Prime Days recently, and they will continue to offer deals leading up to Black Friday, with a focus on the weekend and Cyber Monday. Several stores will be open on Thanksgiving Day, including local grocery stores, Bass Pro Shops, Best Buy, Big Lots, Cabela's, CVS, Dollar General, Family Dollar, Gordman's, Old Navy, Rite Aid, Sears, Vons, and Walgreens. Most other retail stores will be closed on Thanksgiving to allow their employees to spend time with their families. For any further updates or questions, please leave a comment, and we'll keep you informed as more information becomes available. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and hit that bell so you can stay in the loop about great deals on your favorite gadgets.